While much attention is paid to more visible components like shocks, gears, and wheels, having the best mountain bike grips can make or break your ride. Slipping off your handlebars on bumpy terrain or losing your grip in the air can result in severe damage to your bike and your body. Disaster aside, soft compounds, well-placed contact points, and sizes geared toward large or small hands can help riders maintain a comfortable grip on their bikes during epic rides and long days in the saddle. While looking for the best grips, we considered a wide range of shapes, textures, riding styles, and price ranges to find grips that would suit a variety of mountain bikers. Here are the best bike handlebar grips. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Limit brand. High-quality TPE rubber materials, environmentally friendly, non-slip and durable. Soft ribbed grip pattern provides all-day comfort and a slip-free connection with your BMX, MTB bike, or stunt scooter. The arbitrary mixing of the two colors makes each product color shape slightly change, so each product you receive has a personality characteristic that is different from others. Comfortable grips can customize the length with easy cutting lines for 150, 160, 170 millimeters. Special tacky material absorbs shock, in order to make the grips more comfortable as well as reducing fatigue from long ride. End plug included keeps the grip secure and in place while reducing weight, not fall off. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the ROCKBROS brand. The bike grips design with the Ergo palm rest. The little wings give more surface area, much more comfortable as opposed to round grips. Reduce hand fatigue when riding your bike. This bike handle grips use a softer and more gripping grip leather surface. Liquid silicone provides additional shock absorption. These will to absorb vibrations and enhance the quality of your rides. Very comfortable for short to moderate ride. The mountain bike grips were easy to install with the included hex wrench to tighten up the locking collars on either side of the grip. The end caps pop into place and stay secure. The length of bicycle grips is 5.19 inch, fits for the handlebar of bike with diameter of 22.2 millimeters. Great replacement grips for BMX, mountain, MTB, MTN, beach cruiser, scooter, folding, downhill, commuter, city bike. This bike handlebar grips has 4 fashion colors for you to choose. The selection of colors allows you to match the grips to the hues of your rides. Number 3 in our top is from the CyclingDeal brand. Specialized ergonomic design with anti-slip diamond rubber surface better absorbs shock and reduces pressures. Soft gel grips and concave matrix designs provide an excellent gripping experience to relieve wrist pain, especially when riders are riding without wearing gloves. The wide palm platform on the wing design grip is great for long-term riding as it actually makes a difference in wrist comfort. Say goodbye to sore palms. Made from quality water-resistant and soft non-slip rubber that provides all-weather protection on the grips. The durable aluminum double locking bolts correct the position of the grip and keep the grips tight without loosening and slipping. Aluminum forged clamp with secure, single bolt closure. Suitable for most types of bikes, including mountain, hybrid, touring and city bikes. Just slide the grip onto the handlebar, adjust the position, snug the pinch bolt, install the plugs, and snug the pinch bolt at the back, then you're ready to go. Number 2 in our top is from the Corki brand. You have a great handlebar, with the perfect positioning for your brakes and gear shifters, but you're missing some solid bike grips. This is where the Corki Cycles double locking handlebar grips come in. Built for all mountain bikes, the lock-on grips are a pleasure to hold, even on longer rides. Whether you're wearing gloves or riding without, you will enjoy superior comfort, feel, and friction as you hit the trails. With mountain bike grips it is inevitable they will eventually need replacing. But before that point, you want to ensure you get some solid riding in first. The Corki Cycles mountain bike grips feature a hexagon grip pattern and are made with non-slip TPR. The Corki Cycles bike grips use a double locking grip ring clamp design. The ring clamps are secured using a 3mm Allen key, tightening onto your handlebar. This means that even over challenging terrain, the grips will stay secure, giving the rider better control. When riding for long periods of time, your hands and forearms can become fatigued. A good pair of grips can help with shock absorption as you ride the trails. The #1 product is part of the LERMX brand. Made of high-quality non-slip rubber TPR rubber plus aluminum alloy clamp bolts, soft, shock resistance let you feel comfortable. Good flexibility, durability, better than the other PVC rubber. Ergonomic designed handlebar grips, extra gel layer for soft touch and comfort with anti-slip design. Will not fade or get sticky in the sun. Large palm pad area for vibration dampening protection will minimize the fatigue of your hands and reduce the vibration in the riding. Durable aluminum alloy strengthening clamp lock, keeping the grips tight without any worries of loosing or falling down. Which bike handlebar grips would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.